back to my YouTube channel, and by the title of the video you already know it's all about Locs Day. So I am here joined by my amazing wife Shae.
Hi everybody.
And well, this is like her tutorial. This is all natural, all her real hair, by the way. So baby, after the people and they know how it goes.
Okay. So first, I do this every 3 months simply because you don't want all the product on your hair and it gives a white debris or some type of look on your locks. It doesn't look clean. So you want to use it as minimal as possible. If you do your locks every 6 weeks, you probably just want to spray it with water. Make sure it's clean after you wash it and just twist it. So today we'll use those products. Spray lightly on it, twist it up. I don't like my locks to be all neat and perfect, so I'm not parting it anymore. I haven't parted since I started, and I'll get started.
Alright, let's go. Okay guys, before we start, let me get into my supporter and subscriber shoutouts. First person is Tami Shae Clark. Now Tami Shae, you know you come right out when it comes to supporting me. May have to big you up. And she just started her YouTube channel now. She's a singer. So you can go on her channel, subscribe to her, show her some love, watch her videos them, amazing singer guys. And she also dance, she model, and she do makeup story time, motivational talks. All of those are coming soon. So just go over there, watch her videos, subscribe to her, and let her know say Tami saying it. The next person is Miss Wellington. No, she's not a YouTuber, she's one of my followers and supporters, and like anything when I post, any video new, anything, any food post or anything we put up, Miss Wellington, you come right out. She always support me, comment on everything, share my videos like always. So I have to big you up. And also she just started her business, it's called Mel Fragrance. So go and check her out guys, go and support her. Mel, big up yourself. The final person I want to big up is Cupid Kimberly Allen. Bless up yourself. We say you like with you and support her from long time. I'm happy big you up because like anything we put up you always, you know, we comment on it, support it, you share it and so I appreciate you. Go on over and follow her guys. She's into positive vibes, fitness and all of that stuff. So like she knows say Tami you just follow her and so guys, if you want to be shouted out in my next video, all you need to do is just watch my videos, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and like my videos, comment down below. I see everybody in the comment section, or you can like even take a screenshot of my YouTube channel. Here's an example. Take a screenshot of that, post it on your IG, Facebook story and tag me in it, and I will definitely shout you out in the next video, because if you post it or share my videos on your story and you don't tag me, I not get the notification. So even if you do it, I not get it. I just want to say thank you so much to everybody who have been supporting me. And yeah, we just had to do it, we just have some fun and we just had to do it. Let's open ourselves, big up, enough love and respect. Let's get into the video.
Okay guys, so it's all about locking dreads today, and we're gonna show you how to do that in Afghani hair salon and all that stuff. So you have your water, and in the water you put some coconut oil. As you can see, we're just eyeballing it here, and then you add your eco gel. We're using the olive oil one. But anyone agree with your area can use it, but you know, olive oil good. So this is one I normally use, and it's very versatile. I can use it to for a lot of different things. So you know, say you get your money worth. Cause me use this and my wife use this, so you know, say it's like a 2-in-1. And next we're using the pure beeswax. Pure Australian beeswax. Yes, so you know, say everything lock up and so. And this one is very good because you have conditioning in it and all them something. So after you do that now, you just make sure say you shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. And it's gonna look something like this. You can shake it up some more if you want to. And with this spray bottle, we have like a little mesh on the bottom of the straw. So you know all of that not gonna go in your ear in a lump, so you kind of strain it. So yeah, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is how my wife here is looking now. Yes. So all of this I got lock up on thing. Lot of new growth. It grows so far, so fast. What else I want to tell them? Because you know you're a lock specialist, you know.
I don't have a lot of product in my hair. We dilute it mostly with the water. And so that I won't have any residue or anything at my ends, because that stuff can build up as well. And I only do this every 3 months. Other than that, it's just water that I lock up with. So we'll start with the back, and then we'll work our way up to the front.
Alright, let's get into the video.
Alright guys, so make sure you section your hair and now spray this product. Work it in. Find the comb.
I like to pull my hair down. And get around the roots to make sure it's all the way in. And then from there, I just put it up.
And that's it?
That's it.
Wow. That's fast. I forget to flip on them.
Yep. That last one.
Okay guys, so we spray it up already. Spray up this much. I know easier when you're working about that way. And now just I'll start twist it up. I'll roll it up.
And as you see, there's no residue in my hair from this product. Just like to get it going in it really good, because it's a lot of it growth.
This is how it's looking, all of that lock up and thing.
Some people like their dreads twisted tight. I don't, because I like the air to always be at the scalp, so it locks a lot better if it's braids.
So how long you been growing your hair, baby? Me know, but you know, you tell the people then.
5 years. Start to finish, start to finish. I like cutting it, as you know.
Yeah.
Time for cut.
It's done. And what about coloring?
Coloring probably every 6 months. If you want it that way, but you don't have to.
Looking good for me.
Okay, so my final thing is a twisted front. I twist the front based on the direction I like my hair to go mostly. It could be this way, but this twist, I'm gonna have my hair going this way. So I can fall like this. And we're gonna get started. That's for the part, a little bit more water. Moving kind of fast. Should only take 15 minutes to do this. And as you see here, I don't really, like I said, I really don't do it too tight. My back grows a lot faster than my front, so I'm a little bit more gentle with my front. watercolor. That's a nice one. It's nice and thick. Which can be very tricky. The big ones I have to like make sure I'm always in the same direction. So because it's a little longer, I'll do a little bit at the end before I twist it and put it to the side that I want. You have to be gentle to your hair sometimes because you don't want pops or breakage all over the come off. Last two. Voila, now we're done and we'll let it air dry just for a few minutes.
The hair is 90% dried, and this is what it looks like. You can see very neat. Yes. Check out the front. Sides. Yes, that's what it's looking like. So guys, let us know what you think about this one. If you think she did a good job, great job, comment down below. And also if you think you're gonna try this method yourself.
Alright guys, so that's it for the Locs Hair Care tutorial today. And if you enjoyed this one, let us know what you think about it in the comments down below. Get a good shot, really. The hair is really good. I love it.
It's nice and quick, 15 minutes.
Don't come to me. Yeah, it look really neat, guys. You know, we're gonna add some photos so you can see the close-up look of the finished product. And also her shirt is from Street Dancer Tami Shae, our clothing brand, and this one is the Femi Energy line. Yeah, you definitely can check that out as well on IG, Facebook. You know, I'm gonna put the link in the description box below. That's it.
That's it.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.